All right, guys, we got a 1987 Monte Carlo SS. This one is going to be listed as a project. She does need paint and body. Be an excellent father and son project, guys. And y'all know the G-Body platform is the most versatile car platform ever created. So you can go from low rider to stock, make you a race car, do you a big wheel build. With G-Bodies, it's really something out there for everybody, all walks of life. You can go from mild to wild, however you want to build it. Yeah, I know I absolutely love G-Bodies. I got my own channel dedicated to G-Bodies, G-Body Media. And they have great history. You know, without NASCAR, we wouldn't have the Monte Carlo SS. I mean, Dale Earnhardt Sr. drove one of these. I won a Winston Cup in a Monte Carlo SS. To me, they more than just cars. And every scratch, ding, dent has a story. She has great potential. And the Monte Carlo SS is actually one of the most popular G-Bodies, if not the most popular. I'm a Buick guy myself, but I love all of them. And you can't go wrong with a Monte. A luxury sport, a SS. Driver's side frame and floor pans. Passenger side. Deck lid is in good shape. She still has the factory RPO code sticker. She has some surface, but nothing that's cancerous. Trunk nice and clean. Interior's in good shape. She got bucket seats, console. Seats show minor wear. Upper dash. Lower dash. Headliner good. Back seats are in excellent condition. Package tray nice and clean. Engine bay nice and clean. She got the 305 cubic inch 5-liter V8, backed by a 4-speed automatic. Power brakes, power steering, AC, cruise control, all the creature comforts. Let's start her up. All the contact information in the description below. Financing available. Don't miss out on this project, guys. Y'all have a good one.